You can drop a folder of receipt photos in and have them type themselves into your spreadsheet. The AI reads each picture and writes the row. But the part that makes it safe to trust is this. The same automation checks its own work and flags the ones it wasn't sure about. Stick around, because that check is the whole video. Here's the chore nobody films. A drawer of crumpled paper receipts, the taxi, the parking, the coffee run. Once a month you sit and retype each one, date, vendor, amount. 10 dull minutes that eats an evening, and one mistyped total quietly throws off the books. First, an honest framing, because not every receipt needs this. A PDF invoice or an email receipt is just text. You can copy it straight. The genuinely annoying ones are the paper slips you photograph with your phone. You can't copy a photo. That's the case worth automating, and it's what AI vision is for. So watch what an AI does with one photo. I handed a single receipt picture with one reusable prompt. Act like a bookkeeper, return these fields, and flag anything you can't read cleanly. It reads the image and gives back a tidy row. Pause and grab that prompt. The full prompt and the script are in the description. And it genuinely read the picture. There's no hidden text to copy. Now here's the actual workflow, and notice it has nothing to do with which AI you use. Photos land in a folder. Something reads each one into a row. A tiny script rechecks the math and flags anything it doubts. The clean rows drop into your spreadsheet. That loop is the automation. The AI in the middle is just a swappable part. So pick whatever engine fits you. The workflow doesn't care. We used an AI assistant we already pay for. Pointed at the folder, it fills the sheet. You could swap in any Vision Models API for pennies a receipt or a purpose-built document reader. The folder, the check, and your sheet stay exactly the same. Only the engine in the middle changes. One honest note. A chat subscription isn't an API key. For a hands-off script, you use a key or an agent that can open your files. Here's the part one care about most, and it's the same no matter which tool you picked. The script doesn't just copy the total down. It re-adds subtotal plus tax and checks they agree, and it asks the AI to flag any number it couldn't read cleanly. If something's off, that row gets marked for review. The typing is automated, and so is the double check. Here it is on a whole folder. It works through the receipts, and the spreadsheet fills itself, row by row. 7 come through clean. But watch the 8th, a faded total on a crumpled slip. The AI did the right thing. It told me it wasn't sure of that number and flagged the row. You didn't have to catch it. The automation raised its hand. So here's the workflow that actually holds up. The AI does the typing. The script does the checking. And you do one small thing. Glance at the highlighted rows, the only ones in doubt. You're not rereading 100 receipts. You're checking the 1 or 2 the system flagged. One hard-earned warning, because I hit it building this. I first wired it to a free AI tier, and it failed. Too busy. Try again later, over and over. That's the trap. Never hang a recurring job on someone else's free capacity. Run it where you own the uptime, on your own machine, on a schedule you control, with a tool that's reliable. Free is fine to try it. For something you depend on every month, a few cents or your own setup is worth it. 2 more honest limits. Handwritten or really blurry receipts still trip it up. This loves printed text, not a scrawl. And keep the receipt images themselves, not just the row, because the tax office wants the actual receipt, though a clear photo or scan counts. Bonus, run it locally and your receipts never leave your computer, which for money matters. Step back and see what you built. Not one cleaned up month, but a reusable system. The workflow, the check, and your spreadsheet. That's the asset, and the AI inside it is a part you can. Swap anytime. Next month you point it at a new folder and it just works. And it's not just receipts. The same workflow reads invoices, business cards, packing slips, even a screenshot of an order. Anything that's a picture of structured data is a spreadsheet row waiting to happen. Start with 5 files so you trust it, then let it run on the whole folder. If you want more small automations that quietly save your evenings, subscribe. That's the whole channel. This is the automation desk. I'll see you at the next one.